We had said many months ago that we will come with an ASBA-like facility for secondary market trades. It's now going to become a manifest reality. Of course, system changes are needed, so the implementation date is a little bit away. But practically all the modalities have been ironed out. This has been once again co-created with the brokers and with the clearing corporations and the exchanges. So at this stage, we envisage that it will be optional both for the brokers to offer to their investors as well as to the investors as to whether they want to avail or not avail of this facility. But we hope that like ASBA did, and it picked up popularity so much, we hope that once the system stabilizes and people start to see the benefits, and some of the top brokers, because we know there's a fair amount of concentration, right? The top 10 brokers account for, I think, almost 70% of the customers in terms of retail. So we hope that the transition will be rapid once we actually get implemented. But this, we think, is another very important milestone in the way in which trading is done in our country. Again, I must share with you, fresh out of the ISCO oven, that global jurisdictions are just amazed. You know, everywhere else in the world, the model is a B2B model. The exchanges or the clearing corps talk to the clearing members, and it stops there. We are perhaps very unique. We don't have omnibus accounts. We don't have any of that. And the entire chain is completely visible and transparent thanks to the technology. So I've started now referring to this as really the India market stack, because nowhere else in the world is there a market stack in terms of technology which allows for us to go from B to B to C, and for crores and crores of investors. You know that we had implemented the pledge-repledge system for securing and protecting the shares of the investors. We are now on this, I would say, very important point where we are now going to protect the cash of the investors. And therefore, you're going to see that our India stack in terms of markets is going to be, again, a world-beating stack, barring none.